Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Emmanuel Agbogun said the reason why he carry a car come out this night they drive now to show us how Benin look like in the night. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Emmanuel.
Who am I when you love?
Yes. If you're out there and you have not seen your boy Emmanuel S. Agbogun for a while, it's nothing much, but because we are really doing what we believe is our simple contribution to society. I just want you all to join me on this drive because you all know for some time I've been out of social media. The reason that only bring me to social media is when incidents that matters occur. Yeah, this is my street in Benin City. I don't think there's anybody on social media who have been able to use social media to impact directly on his or her street the way I've done in my neighborhood. This is what we enjoy, courtesy distinguished Senator Matthew Oroide. And this has been on for like the past 2 years. And crime here is on 0.0000%. Now, for somebody like me who lives on the street, that legislature have been able to attract this constituency project to my street. And when I drive out of my house at night and I see these lights and I'm about to hit a federal and state road in my state and it gets this dark and people will tell me I shouldn't say or criticize the governor when it has to do with matters about street light. They tell me I'm blind. They tell me my heart is full of bitterness. Some of them tell me I'm jobless, but I think they don't put food on my table. They don't feed my kids for me. Some of them tell me that I'm jobless. Now, this is the road in Benin City. I just showed you my street. I'm putting on my headlamp now in my vehicle so you can see how bright it is. Now, I'm putting it off. You can also see. I'm putting it on again. And let's take a ride in Benin City at night. This is 10 o'clock. And for me, while I'm in Benin City as a Benin man, in the capital city of Edo State, I see this road like this. I'm putting on my street lights again so that you can see the kind of road we are made to drive at night. But because it's risky, I have to turn on my lights. So for me, with my right senses, I don't think a governor who made street lights on this road at night, and since he became governor, the light has not been working. And that same governor thinks that the problem to solving security in Edo State is to carry cultists and hoodlums and give them arms. And give them illegal firearms. When I mean illegal firearms, arms that have no certified registration with the security agencies. Give them illegal firearms to legalize illegality in the name of vigilante. While other governors in the western part of Nigeria are setting up security architecture backed by law, our own government in Edo State is mobilizing thugs, criminals, hoodlums, cultists in the name of securing Edo State. We are going to drive. This is Edo State at night. This roundabout, I'm going to turn around again, is done courtesy distinguished Honorable Jude said there is an honorable member. Some of us complain to him that Rama Park at night is very, very dark. What can you do to help the appalling situation? This is your host community. This is Woti Kubauka where you vote. And nothing less than 2 months when I approached him, he came here without calling me to come and do a live video. He came here to come and put these lights. At night, they used to rape people, rape mothers, rape market women, collect the money they've sweated for the whole day. Now, this is what Rama Parks look like at night. You can see everywhere is now bright. Before, all these places are death traps. All of these places are death trap. But you can see it. Now, you now have street lights in Rama Park. Kosi Wu, distinguished Honorable Jude said there, you can see the street lights at Rama Park. You can see them still shining. Solar power street lights. This is done by a honorable member that does not control 1 billion as a allocation But somebody who controls as much as 5 to 6 billion as allocation cannot even buy a solar light in Edo State. And they tell me that the government is working. Working how? When at night everywhere is dark, criminals can hide in any corner. Before, you cannot pass this place at night with your food. But look at it, look at Rama Park now. Everywhere is bright. So I'm taking you on the stretch of Apapava Road, where Oshomole put all these street lights here that they've refused to on. Now that same government goes out to buy pump action guns, or rather to mobilize you to come out with their firearms that they use in robbing, raping, grabbing people's land in our various communities. They bring it out in the name of vigilante. Now they are not drinking and testing the air and taking souls, killing innocent people, torturing Edo people, Edo youth in the name of crime. Why they themselves, who are going to look for guns from criminals that they say are criminals like them, the guns that are carrying to do these operations are illegally acquired guns into this country. Now we are moving. This is the same Benin City. No single street light at night. Look at it, I'm on Ikoba Slope. You can see it. I have to turn on my street light. Look at it. No single street light at night. If your lights are not as bright as mine, you can't move in Benin City. But I showed you my street. So, right about now, if you all observe, I've not even been talking about the governor or the activities. I only report what their actions are on the media. And they will keep shouting that don't I say the good things. And I wonder when they have the governor's boys and their clique, you know, one of the bloggers with over 300,000 followers, they go out to preach the good works of the governor, and I come out to criticize the governor as an opposition and as a comrade. Yet they will be calling me all sorts of names. How can they balance the development in this kind of our society when they say people like us are talking because our hearts are bitter? How sweet do they want my heart to be when in my street I can attract solar lights through my intellectual abilities from a legislative member in power, the federal character, federal quarters, to my street? And you have some of these people that are making noise that they know the governor, they have all the information that goes around the government. They cannot do that for their neighborhood where they live in. Rather, they tell people to go and start acquiring a private solar power, you know, lights to light up their streets. This is the popular Apapava Road. If I turn off my light again, you will know that this is a graveyard. Look at Benin City at night. My lights are turned off now. You see what Benin City looks at night? My lights are turned off. I'm going to turn them off again so that you see for yourself. Look at what Benin City looks at night. The lights you are seeing now are from incoming vehicles. If I had to be driving back home alone, you wouldn't believe your eyes. Now this is a federal road bringing in investors, citizenries into the state at night, and look at how dark it is. Left alone, having this kind of lights at night in the city, this state of Benin City at night like this, crime would always be the order of the day. Crime, when I mean crime, real-time crime. Any lights you are seeing here are either lights from beer parlor or little brotels around or supermarkets at night. So you can look at it. This is what we have been made to face every now and then in Edo State. Look at it. I'm going to drive with you on the major roads. This is the heartbeat of Benin City. So when the heartbeat is like this, you will see what the situation is. But why am I coming out to say all of this? I'm coming out to say all of this not because I hate the governor, or not because I cannot go and show you the secretariat that was renovated and upgraded to, you know, something more befitting. The truth is said, with a governor that wants to create change, that wants things to be done differently, you have recently acquired Osemo Power. What is stopping you from using Osemo Power to power this solar light, these street lights, since you don't want to go for solar? But when I talk, people who live in abroad, who live where the roads to their house are not like this, they will come out to call me all sort of names. They will start by saying, Emmanuel Agbogundis, you are a difficult somebody. Now we are approaching Ring Road. If you are watching this video and you are not sharing it, what that implies is that you are only just running away from the truth. Because I'm showing you real-time truth. And I'm showing what legislatures have been able to acquire for their people. What is happening to our resources in Edo State? Why can't we enjoy nightlife? Put lights on the road at night. Make 1 million roads without empowering the roads with light at night. It's like you are underdeveloping the state. So that is it. Now from this side where you have Central Bank, you can now see street lights. Are you seeing them? You see how lovely this place look? You see how secure the environment is? How less threatening the environment is? These are jobs done by Oshomole 8 years ago. And they are still working. I tell you, these lights are put off intentionally, not because they are bad, no. They are put off intentionally because they don't want people to understand that these lights still work. So this is the stretch of Ring Road now, from my house. So, as you can see, this is Museum King Square. This is the arena here. This is the only place on Sapele Road to Okada Drive where they on lights. You know, the other day, I showed you a bit of where lights were on. Look at some of the lights are not even working anymore. So they put them on to even change the globes. It's a problem. So you can see the whole of Ring Road. This is King Square at night. And somebody will tell me when I drive on this road at night, looking at my city, the pride of Nigeria, the heartbeat of Nigeria, looking this dark. Even when other governors are busy procuring solar, where they cannot generate power. But ours have generated power. Let me take you on the stretch of Airport Road so that you see it. This is Airport Road now. This is Airport Road. This is our King's Palace. This is the Reverend Omonoba's Palace. You can see it powered by solar. All the stretch around the compound of our king. Now once we pass here now, we are just meeting another dead city. All these roads used to be powered by street lights 8 years ago. The government built this modern dual carriageway. The street lights here, none is working. None can be placed on. You can see this is Benin City. No street lights. I'm going to put up my lights now. You see how it looks like, so that you know what I'm talking about. My lights are off. This is Benin City for you at night. So the reason why you are seeing little lights on the road is just because we are just passing. What's this club here? That's the light you're seeing. Look at the stretch. Everywhere here is like a graveyard. I can go all down. Okay, let me even get to the airport gate so that you see where they want to bring in MOUs, investors that they have signed MOU. You see, in this kind of city, where the major highways are like graveyard at night. So you see no single stretch of street lights. So you can see for yourself what we are being made to face in Edo State. Now, when some of us see all these things that mean nothing, that will not see, putting street lights in Edo State would not cost, in the major roads in Edo State, will not cost the state government up to ₦1 billion. You see, we are now approaching the popular Airport Road junction. You see how dark it is. We have left the commercial axis now, where you seem to have some more clubs. This is the popular glass house. I'm just passing there now. So you can see this Edo State, Benin City, Edo State, every month, nothing less than ₦3 billion comes from Abuja. Outside work goes to the local government. directly to the state. Nothing less than 3 billion naira. We are just passing the airport gate now. I've just drive past. So imagine if your flights were landing in Benin City at about this time, you would have to drive home dark and late. See, I'm not talking about the major streets now. I'm just trying to enlighten you about what we have on our. So I'm turning back here at the stretch. You know, see some of them, if you don't go the plan, they want to relay their head for road. So that is it. I'm turning back. You're seeing Airport Road. Now, I will drive with you again on Iyama to come out on Sapele Road, so that people that see all these things that we don't want to talk, some of us that are not comfortable with it that can talk, they say our hearts are bitter. Our hearts are. Do you know what is development at night when you cannot sustain nightlife in any city? No matter what you do, that city cannot employ their people. Do I know how many drivers will be driving this night till dawn? If the lights, this is popular Boundary Road. Let me take Boundary Road as one of the major streets in GRA. Let me show you. This is popular Boundary Road. No one presence of street lights. Even after 4 years, well, Shomole must have fixed many street lights. You can see vigilantes here with pump action. I'm not gonna stop there. So let's keep going. You can see this is Iyama Boundary Road. Sorry, this is Boundary Road off Iyama to Boundary Road. I'm going to pass the shores of Government House so that you see for yourself. I don't hate the governor, but give me light. I don't hate the governor at all, but put lights on our road so that our boys go feed the hustle for evening. Who get drive go fit come and do small town service. You know they fear. They say go here, you know go fear say everywhere dark for that side. That place now dead trap. So you see, this is not the popular Boundary Road. All through the stretch, no one present of street light. Now all those then Levan, the Hiptons Hotel, and the lights, them Chief Odete we put light for our side, and then they shine their light for the road here for us so they look. So you see, this one all the popular bar waiting for Captiosa Road. No street light at all. And the bar waiting for the lights waiting for the bar, then I need bright the road small for night. So you see, this one na GRA. This one na individual now. I look and say on my side dark. Now I knock all this one put for your own personal security. This one not be government work. So you see, na individual do all these ones. You see, na individual do all this one with there. So now when we drive, we see as it be. Cannot be say we hate the government. Anybody tell me say I hate Obaseki, that person a mugu. But because all of us they pass this road, and especially all those social media people, they also they come out and show all these things. I be telling them they drive motor for night, and they go club, they go to drink champagne, they drink everything. They drive motor for night for this road. Are they comfortable driving on all these roads? Are they comfortable driving on all these kind of roads? That's the question some of us are asking. Are they comfortable driving on all these types of road? So you can see now, I want to show you the partner that they put street lights. Even on the deputy governor's road to no street lights. Now I want to show you the area where you have street lights. This is the popular Government House Drive, where no citizen will pass at night. You can see street light now. I bet you from now till 2 a.m. in the morning, you will not have more than 5 vehicles to, let me say 20 vehicles plying this road. From now till morning. So this is where you have street lights. I want to show you. You come in and say I know pass. This is popular golf course road. The government has. So I want to show you where the area where they feel that the people here deserve street light. How many commuters, how many people that need this light live here? Everybody that lives around this area can put light in front of their house. But look at it, because it's the road to government house, they put light. Now the road of the people that have the government, Okpari, there's no light. You understand me? You can see the street light now. On some days, they don't even bother to on it. Maybe today there are some big visitors in town that have made this light to be on, because the whole of last week when I applied this road, there was no street light. So now you are not seeing it. I said we are driving tonight in Benin. We got fuel to showcase the world what we are passing through here. Now take a closer look at it. I've shown you Airport Road. That is the major road that brings in investor. Now this Sapele Road down to Kada Cinema, you're going to see for yourself. These are the only area where you have street lights in Benin, powered by state government, and we are generating nothing less than 50 megawatts of power from Osiomo. What are they using the power for? Only to light stadium, light palm house. Look at the palm house here, looking very dark at night. One will expect that now that there are lights, at least bulbs should be turned on. So we are there now, you can see it. Now you can see the beauty of the city at night in this place where there are street lights. Yeah? You can see the beauty at night in these places where there's, you can see how lovely it looks here with the trees planted by Oshomole. You can see how lovely it look like 1 mini Dubai, or you know, a street, all of those Mississippi streets in Abuja. You can see it. So now, looking at how beautiful the city looks like here, this is the handiwork of Oshomole. Now, we have approached Kada Cinema, and we're still going. We want to turn around now. No, let's use Adesuwa Junction. You can see now, this place is like a graveyard. You can see no street lights here. You can see Benin City. You can see Benin City. Can you see that? The two reasons why those lights are always on at night. One is because of the correctional center that is there, and because it's very close to the road, you know, people can come there at night when it's dark and commit mayhem. Two, because that are one of the major access routes to government house. So this is Adesuwa Junction we are approaching. No single street lights. No single street lights here up to the bypass. It's a dead trap. You can see. No single street lights. Now, let me still go further so I'll show you. It's good. Benin turns out to be a better place for everybody. So we are still riding. You can see for yourself, no single street lights. You saw where there were street lights, powered by the state government. You saw how beautiful it looks. Don't you like that to be on all our major routes? The infrastructure is there already, just put it on. I don't know, this vehicle has to follow me behind. Better you overtake, you cannot get your time, now you be one of them. Okay, there are not many, just 2 persons inside the vehicle. So you can see how it looks like. With Osimo power, at least this street light is supposed to be on, no excuse. With Osimo power. So So at evenings like this, the roads are very free. So once you have street lights, it gives you joy to want to come out at night. When those people that are involved in trade, most of them must have gone back into their homes. It gives you joy. Look at it. Look at how Benin City looks at night. So you can see, this is how Benin City looks at night. If not for the petrol stations and majority of these big establishments that run their diesel chains at night for security reasons, the road will just look like a graveyard. Now we're approaching Limit Junction now, where I'm going to do a U-turn. You see everywhere here, it's like a street light. So the reason why I'm coming out live is because I don't want to start talking and people will be telling me that this thing I'm saying is a lie. I'm showing you, particularly those of you who are in abroad, if it's my brothers that are here that are telling me that I'm lying, I'm saying this, I'm saying that, I wouldn't have an issue. But since those persons who are abroad that live in cities that are good are even the ones criticizing me, calling me all sort of names, I wanted to come back to Benin and live. Some of them who came back the last time, they even went to their social media pages and started confessing that what I've been saying is the gospel truth. So I'm going to turn here. I'm trafficating. I'm going to turn here because that's how it is. If you look upwards, you see that that's how the city looks like all the way. So I'm going to turn here. I'm going to turn here now and head home. So driving all everywhere in Benin City, that's how it looks at night. If I go to Selu axis, oh, looking like a graveyard. So this is Benin City for you. If you go to Asaba at night, you will wonder on their major roads, if not on all the streets. Look at that, I put on my street lights now. You see how it looks like at night. So it's like a death trap. If you don't have good lights, you can't come out at night. But the most painful part of it is that the street lights, the poles are all here. So what we are yearning for is for them to just put it on. Put on the street lights and you see how nightlife will flourish. Some people are you know, wanting to come out, but when they look at how dark the city looks like, thanks to all these filling stations, DVD, corn oil, Sazi, they always light up their petrol stations at night to brighten up the environment and also provide security for themselves. So for those of you saying that FG is supposed to be asked for power, other states that don't have power that are using solar street lights, with the kind of sun that is shining in Benin, I don't think our nightlife should be dark like this. If our government is trying to, you know, introduce innovation and modest way of governance today, getting 3 billion naira, we should be living in this kind of darkness at night, then what is the hope for the future generation? So you look at it now, this is Saple Road, no single street light. No single street light. One would have expected by now that mechanisms would have been, you know, put in place for the test run of street lights with Osimo power. That's what some of us are saying. We have power, we generate power, we have gas in Edo. Why can't you on street lights? If you can mobilize thugs to carry pump action guns, carry double barrel guns, carry cut to size and other form of firearms to create security in the state, why don't you also enhance their work by putting street lights? If you meet a vigilante now that you meet at night that you cannot identify where the vigilante is coming from, and they shoot at you, how do you look at their faces to know who they are so that you can identify them tomorrow? My people say common sense is not common. But look at it, this is Benin City at night. This is Benin City at night. This is how it looks like. If I put up my light, this is how it looks like. So you can imagine, look at this driver now, his light is very dim. So he's just going gradually. So you can see, this is how it looks at night. So somebody will still come out to tell me that we that are saying that this thing should be done rightly, that we don't mean well for the state, that we have a bitter heart. Now my fuel I take drive come they show the world. Now my data I still use. No be government buy me data, no be government give me money, I go pimp studio, or they post my video, make I get followers quickly. No be government give me all those money why they use. I mean they do them to help myself and help our society. So I no see reason why things go be like that. So if you look at, we'll take one of the newest dual carriage lane constructed by Adams Aliyu Oshomole for Edo people. This second is secular. This road every day and night I weep. This is a very solid job here. But you can look at it, this is how it looks at night. With all the infrastructure put in place, this is how second is secular looks at night. If I put on my light, you see, this is how it looks at night. So the whole light you are seeing that shows you everywhere is the light from my vehicle. Any street where you're seeing lights here is street light done by Senator Matthew Oroide. I think he has about 2 to 3 streets here around this area where he puts street lights, just like my area too. So why can't the governor emulate what Oroide is doing and ensure that they light up Benin City? Lighting up Benin City at night will create job. People will be washing cars for people that want their cars to be washed against their movement tomorrow morning, so that they don't spend more time on the car wash. There will be some car wash that will be washing vehicles. Some cab drivers will be hanging out on the road looking for people that need cab. You know, look at it. This is the stretch of second is secular. I'm coming out on Sapomba Road now. Everywhere remains dark. So I'm still going. If I put on my street light now, you look at the road, you see it? My street lights are off and I'm driving. My life is at risk though. So you can see it. It's just my headlamps that are aiding my driving tonight. If I put it off again, you can see how dark it is. So that is it. So if my light is not bright now, and imagine, how can the government spend billions to build this road and to put light for citizens to enjoy the road? Okpari is not there. It's not even in the agenda. So this second is secular, newly consulted by Adams Oshomole before his exit from office. So when I raise all this issue, they say, you know, the governor not working, governor to try. This is the 5th year in office and we are in total darkness on our major roads, despite the fact that they have generated power from Osiomo. And somebody will tell me that if Osiomo is free, Osiomo cannot put lights on this road. If I talk, they say I'm jobless. If I talk, they say I have a bitter heart. But when I will say that the governor setting up vigilantes is a good thing, but it should be checked. Before the ISSs grew up to this extent, everybody knew I came out and started shouting. I talk at the talk, but I insult, they didn't tell me thank you. But whether they insult me for nothing tomorrow, nothing will make me stop. Rather, I am ready to ride the ride with them and to continue talking. Look at it everywhere here, look at it. Everywhere here is a death trap. Look at major road that already has the infrastructure. You can see. I'm driving now, you can look at how the road is. You understand? You can see how the road is. So tell me now, if you are driving on that kind of road and somebody bail up you, now what will you do? For instance, you're driving on this road and someone comes to bail up you. What will you do? So you can see the stretch of secondary circular linking Apapava. You can see it. So we're just approaching the traffic light now. God bless whoever must have put this caution sign. Pharmacists, whoever you are, man, God bless you for doing that. God bless you. So you can see how we are the. Let's take a turn at New Benin Junction so that people see what I'm talking about. This is the new Lagos road from here to Ukpowo, done by Adams Oshomole also. This man is not a Benin man, oh. It's an ESA command. It developed inside. It still add more value to the state. The capital city. Imagine Benin City without this road under Oshomole. What would you have gotten as a city? So look at see a New Benin before night. They see this is a New Benin environs. So tell me why Curtis no go to Pogu stores? Why they no go to snatch people handbag? This is a New Benin. See as it dark. See as they go. Apostle Alfred, my friend, will not say all of this. But even as they talk at Masibi, I want me to see they talk this one join. The governor's boys as on a day, I don't want to mention individual name before they say I they envy anybody. When as he come to show this one, make people they see him. See him if glow back home can put their billboard and put solar light in it. This solar to be lighting up the video. This New Benin environs. Let me take up permission extension for you, also done by Shomoli. And somebody will tell me say I be Mugu. I don't want to pass Apapava, I don't already first show Apapava. Somebody go there tell me say, Emmanuel, you are jobless. You are this, you are look at refuge dump at the center of the road. Where Oshomole walk this road reach? Oshomole no put street light oh. But where he walk and reach from here to Ipobayi, that's so it be. So Mona they see with me oh. This is the popular New Benin axis of Edo State. This is near New Era. Where they get New Era, that school where they still build where the governor lock. And this area they get New Era. So see if I off my headlamp now, and I see how the road be, and I see but where they get this kind of road, see how it's dark. Now because they talk oh. You see how the road dark? When I say it's dark, now they see taking the risk now, you know they see how the road dark. And so it be from here to Atuawa. I go show now so. Now still my fuel. Now still my data. Now still my fuel. Now still my data. Now still my life I dey put at risk. But people go tell me say I don't love Benin City, I don't love Edo State because I know the Tosin governor they try. Maybe if I don't say governor they try, maybe if I don't change motor, if I don't maybe don't complete my own house too. If I don't also don't see they get clear access for all the government office to get everything I want for the state. But because some of us they say governor they try as it be, and they call us name. So Mona tell them make they drive like this for night, make they off their headlamp as they off and see, and this one are the popular New Era area. I don't they approach that bridge, the Mboga bridge. Now they so I see as everywhere here dark. Yes, so if kidnapper owe you this night, you don't get one make they carry you, they don't fit carry you. If you like carry bulletproof car, they owe you, you come out for that motor. You see how? Now on top bridge, this a bridge where the power street light supposed to be for bridge. Maybe we'll see what they have for the bridge. You know, see how inside the bridge dark. Now on top bridge at the access so now. When I see the bridge hand, this bridge, this thing, now they follow so. our state so they collect nothing less than 3 billion naira every month. You know, I say this guy blessing this dark night. You know, the man no get light. You know, see where he go run enter this night. Now light no dey for this month. You see where he go run enter because him light no good. Maybe that man go get impaired sight. But if you say street light, they go see where he go. You know what to no go maga, he go drive going house. Sundays if you come here, you go see bus. You go all those together we no get better light. And so then they jam. See how I just the past them book. I see everywhere be. And I see as everywhere be. Look at all my lama no go enter one pot over there. And I see as everywhere be. So when I share the video, those of you I know so I like Edo State. When I share the video. So now they see how. I pass this area, I pass still on the light. You can see how would they approach popular Lucky Way Junction. Now this is a Lucky Way I go show now NDDC Kosi or Roide. Now I still bring this one come Edo State. Come up permission. NDDC, our governor do wire road, no street light, no walkway. Yeah, make I just break and down for the junction. When I see the street light today for this side, if you look where you go see and see the street light there, but I don't want to drive past there. That one inside as I do the drive show they go. Now so I go to see the show now where the sideway light down, the sideway light, no the side now they come now, know the area where now go for night to where they no coffee with low now. Lucky Way before now dead trap, everything I they say that they cover up, but since they put lights. The people who did the area, they feel attest to the fact say crime don't reduce to 99% for them. Because everybody will walk on T for night, they see you now. Everybody knows that this motor na take on a console. Before now, from upper mission drive to the end, they don't hold on. From the enter street, men, I know the road, happy and passing away come. So they must still hold on. So you see, so now the popular Polingo area. All this one now them pull lights. You see, NNPC don't close now. Now there are street lights now, you see they bright up everywhere. So now they see not be saying that man like Bogo talk, we wanna see for night. Now they see how upper mission be now. Show me they do all this road though. 80% of the road I don't drive this night now. Show me they do one for Billy. And I say I be for night. So you see how all this road now Shomole do all of them. It's the handiwork of Adams or Shomole. Now make even if the man is still getting own error for body, but it's better than any of them. Both lucky on Yeku. Now only I'm Bruce Ali government where people they still talk about it tomorrow. Why no witness? But the rest government, nobody feel compare themselves with Baba. Now make I see they get the guard for them. I make I see the get the guy for Shomole because he carrying people for heart. Someone has seen him, oh, Sarah Williams. It's been a while. But they don't say that the people going to say, the Shomole, how this one they mean well. Because this kind of road, they cannot control this kind of road. Standard, despite the fact that all the gutter don't block, because they need to feel clean them, they never feel walk their journey road, stand up police side. Now they see him. Now we don't reach Aduawa. There is the Aduawa, popularly known as Aduawa market area and the rest. So as a bada, I would like one pack first. I still chop my ram suya. You know, say as those people waiting for diaspora where they insult me, where they say this kind of road no dey their city. So me want to see pack for a pokey place where like day. I see collect my 5-inch ram suya first. I know say all this kind of one, I know if you see anyhow for there like that. Because if you go kill animal for Igbo land, you can go to prison. So I don't pack for my ram suya. Back My life still there on. Mona see me as I dey come down, go enjoy myself. No worry, leave am. If I off the motor, you know we start. So I don't buy my suya. Somebody say me they happy with vigilante. How could you pay for vigilante? You cannot use illegality to fight illegality. Instead, you are rotting the system because of you don't know. If the West can be setting up a Moteku, what's the our government for setting up security outfit backed by law? Wike is doing hushback. Go and see how organized they are. This is not a picture area. This is not a popular picture area. I don't see off my light. When I see Benin City be at night, my light day off for this road wide where so now make me the feel zero my mind driving for a while. As a day off so. You see how? So if you are watching me live, share this video, share this video, share. Now for this area, I need a key. 2 people. One guy who's in a store saying be vigilante. Saying go drink for them, one test the air. To carry illegal gun now, don't be legal. Now governor say me the carrier, so that's what it must be. This is na ABS. Federal Secretariat day here, ABS area. When I say I be for night, graveyard. This is na ABS junction. ABS is on my left hand side. When I say I be everywhere dead for night. When I say everywhere dark for night. I went to the face for Benin City, Beniso. When I say everywhere dark for night. Everywhere for this area, and I say it's dark for night. I went to the face for Benin City 9 BD. So if you are just joining me, I better share this broadcast and I'll soon see my face, no, don't worry. But for tomorrow morning, please, if you are watching me this night, join my broadcast tomorrow morning. Join and share because we want to point. So many things will don't happen. We talk of bag of cement, they say, hey, this one, our governor did another governor, they said good for Zamfara, but then they mind. Our one because Dangote and a friend of it talk. When I see the area now, I see big. Now we to the suffer. Now we to the suffer and MBD. So tomorrow, also officially we'll be visiting the CFO office. You see how Rama Park now just to get street lights. Cause it Jude, he said, then he just put around the Rama Park about 30 something pieces. So that's it. We did here live. It's on our soldier. Officer, good evening, sir.
Now, man, you be.
I greet you, Baba.
A doctor now. Abi.
Well done, well done. No, comrade. Human rights. We dey do video for night.
Human rights in the video who now.
But we dey video our condition of street lights for Benin. Make governor give us street lights.
Your matter, eh?
I greet you, Baba. Now, man,
Baba, na
you
me
be.
greet you back.
So now, soldier, you see how the soldier man they follow me talk. Now, so there be, but if now the vigilante now they don't say, hey, where you from the call? Who be you? Very arrogant, very uncoordinated criminals. So you see as I do our Rama Park now can't get lights. Me go sit there say then say as you put one the shine outside, me one the shine inside Rama Park. Because for inside this park, with all this lemon, they use people eye they see for here, don't be smart. But those for some time now, I never hear any much wrong talk. But which one be all this parking for here again now? I mean, now they wait for. I not be succeed though. You see, people will get better. This one on a Lexus GLK. Then they find they want to drive their motor for inside town. For where they not fit. So now they see now my junction be this. I don't reach. They see him. So now so it be here. Now see the street light. Now me after I don't walk out for town now, I come to enter house. I come see how my street bright. See how my street get nightlife on my street. See how with me. You understand me? They say seeing is believing. You see man, I like Bogun Street. You see my street? See how she bright, go inside. They see the street light, see how she arrange. They were mounted. Every day when I wake up, I just on the top because if you have the street for Benin, people there. Now, so tomorrow morning, when I know hesitate to join me live, and me on a comrade. Now our development matter I in my head though. Nothing concern me. I need to cash anybody wish. So you see how my street be now. So if person come and say want do any everybody they see you now. Before you open there, don't call my neighbor say Bob. See that guy they run, they go help me hold on. You see how my street be? Now police not gonna even use their motor now, they block our road. All these the accident vehicles. So you see how? All our big boys for Edo State now Lagos and Abuja and Port Harcourt, Calabar they run go now because say Benin City get the way they. Meanwhile I hear people sponsor the run they come. The Asian city. Leventis first this big supermarket first enter Nigeria and Edo State in the 70s before they go many other side of the states. But today now we be one of the backward states. So you see my street be. Now I don't also tell you they say the next road where they around me. Elders they don't call me. I say no, we must do them. This one I said then we vote for here. We vote for said then here and already very well. So he must come to do them. So now be the cocoa. So you guys are about to see my face. Because I drive the show now since. gate now, so I don't reach. I don't reach gate now, so I don't see him. I don't off my engine, so it's time to see Comrade's face. So no be hidden matter. I don't come out from my vehicle now. I see the solar lights, how they shine, yaga. Look, I still update my video where put my camera where so that my face go show where. Yes, so I see her now. Make I still position my camera well so that everywhere go balance. Now every time they come show on my street because I'm proud of it. So when I see Comrade face, the reason we make some of us to talk, not because he hates the governor, no. I made the governor do what he make Edo people vote him. As they come, make I carry my other phone. So the reason why some of us they talk are because we want to make governor they do all these kind of things. We go make Edo State better, nothing more. Nobody let me there for the state. If they like to make Edo State no better, it is not my sole issue. But why some of us keep talking, keep stressing out these issues, is because these things are achievable. These things can be done if the political will is available. See how people stroll in the evening, feel comfortable. We drove around Benin today. You didn't see where people were strolling on the road at this time of the night. But because the lights are here, they know once we get to the junction, if you stroll, go back house, we will reach our house, light day. So tomorrow we'll be discussing very serious issues in Edo State, particularly the role of legislatures and how they can impact directly in our communities. You saw the other day when my brother, the 300,000 follower man, was talking about Denko, his friend, and stating that Denko is working. And I asked, how many committees is Denko a chairman or a vice chairman in the National Assembly? Your member representing Egwani Pubaoka, he said, then Jude. How is Jude a chairman? What can he do as a mere floor member of the House? Can he have that kind of access to the vote or to the budget the way a chairman of a committee would have? These are questions that we'll be discussing tomorrow. So once again, I just to make a show how Benin City be, because I'm going to talk some very strong words. I will use some very strong words from tomorrow, and I expect say people who don't follow me see Benin City this night, and I go see some schools alongside with me. We will see the one way honorable members they do, because we're ready for them. Not be to the talk. You go see the show, you go see the compare, the contrast. So these are the issues. So my conscience are those people. I wouldn't want to hit the polity more tonight. I just want to state facts, and I think I've been able to show you what Benin City looks like at night. This is just 11 o'clock, and you see how everywhere looks dry. Probably life in most cities like Port Harcourt, Lagos, Enugu, Abuja, Kaduna, Jos. Life is just beginning in most cities where they are currently enjoying relative peace in the capital city. I'm not talking about in the interiors, in the capital city, but look at us. Benin City became the head of Western region. Benin City became the head of Midwest region. Benin City became the head of Bende State. But to date, we are the most backward state headquarter in Nigeria. That was a former regional seat of power. So these are the issues we talk about each day that passes. So my people, don't forget say this light when me they talk for no be let me one user. This is those me they also make it better. No be let me one enjoy the betterness now for all of us. So the much I don't talk, I there I go fit stop. Don't forget, say we don't raise issue of police, issue of vigilante, issue of legislations. Now we never dey talk about the governor. We just dey talk about the street lights wey we don dey talk of dey come dey go since. There are very many issues that has to do with budgetary allocation. Because for instance, Buhari, I was made to understand Buhari don't pass local government autonomy. Governors like our state governor never see the implementer. Buhari don't pass 30 more minimum wage for workers. Governors like our governors too never see the implementer in full. They see the workers see the experience deduction in the name of housing scheme where they never see. For our state like this, they don't still give enumeration for teachers. Our state governors never see, like our state governor too never see implementer. They don't still give autonomy for judiciary. Now only God know. But I know say for inside Nigeria, most judiciary need to work for the state. Now those states be one of those states where the judiciary see they work where they never still join the national strike, where they currently the experience for Nigeria. So while all of these things they happen, we go still can talk the one we will know inside from tomorrow morning. So join us tomorrow. We are going to be taking it one after the other. The only way we can enhance the living standard of our people is when we have factual and constructive media engagement and interaction. Do not forget, I am Comrade Bogu Emmanuel. Now where my power reach, now I talk rich. For now, so tomorrow join me in the early hours of the day, because I'll be visiting the C.O.O office officially to know the state of over 40 applications that we have submitted that have not gotten any form of response. And my phones have been ringing from clients wanting to know the state of which these applications are. So once again, I remain another person that is Noble Right activist. Please join me tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye for now.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.